to start with GPS. Who can tell me what?
Me.
Shakira,
Oh, okay.
don't get too shooken up about it. Come show us on the board. Wait! The ground's shaking! Alarm!
Groceries right now. I need an earthquake. Mills quicker. What even is an earthquake?
An earthquake is a sudden movement of the Earth's crust caused by the release of stress accumulated along geologic faults or by volcanic activity.
Did we handle that well? I don't know. I'm so frustrated right now. I don't know. Where's Professor Quaker?
You know, ladies, it wasn't too bad, but for next time, there's some things to make it a little less shaky.
When inside during an earthquake, don't panic. Stay inside until the shaking resides. Stay away from glass and windows. Drop cover, hold on, and don't use elevators. Be safe. When you feel the shaking, don't be faking. Be prepared and safe.